Hey there! Welcome to English with Hassan 1 and 2, where learning English is easy, fun, and actually makes sense.
Demonstrative pronouns. So the first word is pronounced this. Repeat after me. This. This. So it's singular form. And the second word is pronounced these. These. Because the students, they pronounce the first word and the second word the same way. They pronounce both of them this. No, it's not correct. So the first one, the first demonstrative pronoun this is pronounced this. And its plural is these. These. Today we are going to practice just these two words. We use this is to introduce people that are near to the speaker in singular form. I repeat, we use this to show that the people or that the people are near to the speaker. Let's see some examples. We use the word this to point out or to show that a person, an animal, or a thing is near to the speaker. So it's very clear. So when we have people or animals or things that are near to the speaker, in the singular form we use this. This. Example. This is a sun. So look at this word, this. This is a sun. This is a sun. The second example, or the second slide, or the next slide. This is my son. This is my son. So my son is near me. Near me. We use the word these. These is the plural of this, to point out or to show that people, animals, or things are near to the speaker. Very near to the speaker. Let's see. These are sons. So the pronunciation of the first word is these, and it's not this. These, it's the plural of this. These are sons. These are sons. These are my sons. These are my sons.